Hello my friends and welcome back to Learn Flow English. I'm Daniel, and I'm so happy you are here today. In today's episode, we are going to talk about something very important, motivation in language learning. How do you stay strong? How do you keep going? How do you enjoy learning English even when it feels difficult? In this podcast, I speak slowly, clearly, and simply so you can understand easily. You can listen, repeat, and speak with me. You can practice English step by step. This is called shadowing. You listen, and then you repeat after me. So are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin together. Learning English is not easy, and that's okay. It is normal to feel tired sometimes. It is normal to feel slow. It is normal to make mistakes. Every person who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen. You need time to practice. You need time to understand. And most importantly, you need time to grow. Some days, learning feels exciting. Other days, it feels difficult. That is part of the journey. On good days, enjoy your progress. On hard days, simply keep moving forward. Even tiny steps are still steps. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to speak fast. You do not need to know every word. You only need one thing. To continue. Slowly. Gently. Step by step. And believe me, my friend, you are already improving. Learning English is like climbing a mountain. Sometimes the road is smooth. Sometimes the road is steep. Sometimes you feel strong. And sometimes you want to stop. But when you look back, you will realize something important. You have already come so far. You have learned new words. You have listened to English. You have practiced speaking. You have understood things that once felt impossible. Even if you cannot see your progress clearly yet, it is there. You are not standing at the bottom anymore. You are climbing higher every single day. So please, don't give up. Some people learn quickly. Some people learn slowly. But every successful learner has one thing in common. Motivation. And motivation is not always loud. Sometimes motivation is quiet. Sometimes it is just a small voice inside your heart saying, "Try again. Don't stop. Just one more minute." And honestly, sometimes one more minute is enough. If you feel tired, rest. Then come back. If you feel confused, breathe deeply. Then try again. You do not need a perfect plan. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need perfect pronunciation. You simply need the courage to return again and again. Now ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Maybe it is for your job. Maybe it is for travel. Maybe it is for school. Maybe it is because you want a better future. Or maybe, you simply enjoy learning. Your reason matters. Your reason is powerful. And your reason will help you continue when things feel difficult. Remember this. Every day you practice English, you are moving forward. Even if you study for only 5 minutes. Even if you only listen. Even if you only try. You are still growing. And you should feel proud of yourself. Because learning a new language takes courage. You are opening a new door in your life, and that is something beautiful. So how can you stay motivated when you feel tired? Let's talk about a few simple ideas. Tip number 1, do a little. You do not need to study for hours every day. Just do something small. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Read one short paragraph. Repeat one sentence. Even 1 minute is better than doing nothing. Language learning is not about doing a lot one time. It is about doing a little, again and again. Tip number 2, remember your why. Why are you learning English? For work. For travel. To study abroad. To communicate with people around the world. On difficult days, remember your reason. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it close to your heart. Your reason is your fuel. It gives you energy when your motivation feels weak. Tip number 3, make learning easy. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Do not wait until you feel completely ready. Make learning easy to start. Keep your English book near your desk. Save English videos on your phone. Set a timer for 10 minutes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is simply to begin. Because once you begin, continuing becomes easier. Tip number 4, be kind to yourself. Please do not say, "I'm too slow. My English is terrible. I'll never speak well." Instead, say this. "I'm learning. I'm improving. I'm doing my best." You are human. You are growing. And growth takes time. So speak kindly to yourself. You deserve patience. You deserve encouragement. And you deserve kindness from yourself too. Tip number 5, celebrate small wins. Did you listen to English today? That is a win. Did you learn one new word? That is a win too. Did you try even when you felt tired? That is a very big win. Do not ignore small victories. Small victories become big success stories over time. So smile when you improve. Notice your progress. And feel proud of every small step. Because every step matters. Now, in this next part, I will speak using slightly longer sentences. Still simple. Still slow. But just a little more natural. This will help your listening become stronger step by step. So relax, and simply follow the meaning. Sometimes learning English can feel frustrating because progress feels invisible. You study for weeks. You practice every day. And then suddenly you think, why is my English still not good enough? But listen carefully. You are improving more than you realize. Progress is often quiet. You may not notice it immediately, but your brain is changing every single day. You are understanding faster. You are remembering more vocabulary. You are becoming more comfortable with the language. And one day, without warning, you will suddenly understand a sentence easily that once felt impossible. That moment will surprise you. And it will remind you that your hard work is paying off. One of the best ways to see your progress is to keep an English notebook. Write down new words. Write down useful sentences. Write about your day in simple English. Even one sentence each day is enough. Later, when you read your old notes again, you will notice something amazing. Things that once felt difficult now feel easy. That is real progress. Another great idea is recording your voice. Use your phone and say a few simple sentences. For example, "Hello, my name is Alex. I'm learning English because I want to travel." Then record yourself again 1 week later. When you compare the recordings, you will hear improvement in your pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. Little by little, your English becomes stronger. And remember this. Progress is not always a big test score or a certificate. Sometimes progress is very small and quiet. It is understanding a movie sentence without subtitles. It is speaking without translating in your head. It is feeling less afraid when you speak English. These moments may seem small, but they are powerful signs of growth. Now I want to talk about something extremely important. Enjoying the process. Because learning English should not only feel like work. It should also feel meaningful, exciting, and sometimes even fun. Learning is not a race. You do not need to move faster than everyone else. You only need to continue your own journey. Step by step. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They say, "Daniel, I'm nervous. What if I say something wrong? What if my grammar is bad? But my friend, mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are teachers. Every mistake helps you grow. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times. But nobody says, "Stop trying." Instead, people smile and say, "Try again." And eventually, the baby learns to walk. Learning English works the same way. So if you make mistakes, that's okay. Speak anyway. Practice anyway. Keep going anyway. Because courage is more important than perfection. You can also make learning fun. Watch videos in English. Listen to music. Read stories you enjoy. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Use English in your daily life. When learning feels enjoyable, your brain learns faster. So do not make English feel like pressure all the time. Let it become part of your life. And finally, let's talk about your future. English is more than a school subject. English is a tool. A bridge. A key that can open new opportunities. When you learn English, you can connect with people around the world. You can travel more confidently. You can study abroad. You can apply for better jobs. You can understand global conversations, movies, books, podcasts, and ideas. English gives you more choices. And more choices can change your life. That is why every small step you take today matters so much. Alright my friend, you made it to the end of this episode. And I want you to remember something very important. I am proud of you. You are doing something difficult. You are building a skill that can change your future. It does not matter if you speak slowly. It does not matter if you make mistakes. It does not matter if you feel shy or nervous. What matters is this. You are trying. You are learning. And you are growing every single day. I'm Daniel, and this is Learn Flow English. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing with me. And thank you for being part of this journey. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.